OSO gas compressors, synthetic oil flushing. We successfully executed a comprehensive synthetic lube oil flushing operation at the OSO gas compressors facility, a critical maintenance activity designed to ensure maximum reliability, efficiency, and long-term performance of rotating equipment. The scope of work covered the lube oil flushing of 4 LM 2500 power turbines, RGC-B power turbine, HPP power turbine, LPB power turbine, HPA power turbine. This critical process removed contaminants from the lubrication systems, ensuring clean oil circulation, optimal performance, and long-term reliability of these high-capacity turbines, each capable of generating up to 35 megawatts, that is 35 million watts of power. Delivered using industry best practices, specialized equipment, and strict quality checks, this project reflects our commitment to precision, efficiency, and world-class maintenance solution. To learn more, visit www.fairtex.com.ng or email us at info@fairtex.com.ng. Fairtex, building the future for the next generation.